Alright guys, so in this video tutorials we are going to simply look at how we can be able to blend an image with the background to have a very professional design. So what you simply do is to import the image the background you want to blend into your PIXELLAB, and then you take it from there. So the first thing to do is to go into our gallery and import the background. So this is the background we are going to be using, and you simply click on it. Make sure you have something like this, and then resizing it well, and then place it. Make sure it covers the PIXELLAB default background like this, and you are good to go. So what to do next here is to now bring in the image itself that we are going to use for. We're going to blend with this background. So what we will do is to go back to our gallery by clicking on the plus sign, which we are already aware. So you simply click on that, and then you head towards your gallery. So the image we are using here is this particular one here, and then you simply select it, and then you click on the check mark, and we have an image right here. Make sure you're resizing the image and you have something like this. So you have to lock your elements, lock them. Make sure you lock them very well, and then position them very well as well too. So you lock the background, and then what we do next here is to actually create another shape so that we can have a very good blend. So you click on the plus sign again up there, and then you click on shapes. So just make sure you get a nice shape, and then something like this, so that it covers the entire screen like this, in this manner, and then you place it somewhere. Then you move to this color options down here. Move to the color options down here. Then what you do is to select gradient. When you select gradient, click on the plus sign. Then from here you can actually select the color icon here, and then you click on it. So what we are going to do is to make sure that we drag this third line here, we drag it to the end, and then we make sure we select something like a blue, because our image is blue and the background too is dominated with blue. So make sure you have something like this. Select blue, make sure you have a blue listing, and then you click on the check mark. So we have something like this right here. So we can simply make sure that we have the blue color showing up there. So we click and make sure the blue color comes up, and then we use that one. So we have something like this. And you can see the blue is right here. So we click on this. Okay, our effect has been applied already. So this is what you have. In a situation where it has capsided like this, we need to make sure that the thing is actually well done by making it rather fade up but not down. So you click on the plus sign again. What you simply do is to click on this particular thing here. You can see that it will arrange something nicely like this. Then you click on the okay, you have something very nice like that. So the magic here is to actually go back to your gallery, but make sure the shape you created with the faded effect is selected like this. So you go to texture, select texture, then you head to your gallery again. So what we do here is to select the background we are using again, which is this one. Select it, and then you click on the check mark. So you can see we have something like this. We have something very nice like this. So what we simply do here is to make sure we click on maintain ratio, and we have a very nice effect here. So you can see the image is being blended very well. So you have something like this. You have something like this. That's why it's advisable to lock your elements as you import them. So you have something like this. You can see the effect is there already. So this is what you simply do. You can copy it to even make it look more professional. So we have our image and the background being blended nicely like this one right here. One of the things you can actually apply again to make the blend effect so real is to use the eraser tool, which can be found here. So when you click on the eraser tool, we have these two bars here, first and second here. What you simply do is to make sure you increase the blendness and then increase this particular size of the eraser that you'll be using. That means increase both these two and then increase them or regulate them to have something like this, and then you also come down to this particular one here. So this will help you be able to move the eraser very well. So what you simply do is to make sure that you place the eraser there and then you take something like this off from the app there. Just take it off gently like this, and you click on the check mark. You can see that we have erased something like this off, and then you just simply place it that way again as we did, and you can make sure you erase it well and just make sure you copy it. See that the brain effect is even more real and realistic. So you can see it, we have something like this, and you are good to save your work. So in a situation whereby the background you're going to use is somehow is different from the image itself, you can actually do something. So what you will do here is to just make sure that the background you imported is selected. Then you head to color fill test and you select on it. So from here you can see that the background is being regulated and the color has been changed. So in a situation whereby the background you want to blend is somehow not matching with the image, you can simply come to this particular place and then you adjust the color, the hue here. That means you go to the color filters and you adjust it. You can see what you have here by just regulating this particular thing. So you have something very nice like this. This is what you do when your background is not matching with the image. This is Maxi from Online Graphics School. Thank you for watching. If you have gotten value from this video, subscribe, like and share so that you get updated anytime a new video is uploaded.